Good morning! So it's Sunday and today it's just me and the two dogs, Riley and Roxy. We're gonna be heading out It's currently 8:30 in the morning and there really is no plan today. I decided to, instead of staying home or staying in Verona, decided to take a day trip out with the dogs. Most likely gonna head into the lagoon and prepare breakfast at anchor. This is the third mini outing done with the boat. I'm making sure everything is okay before we head out with the family. For example, on Friday, so 2 days ago, I took the boat out and I realized that the water maker wasn't working and the water pump wasn't working. But it was a quick fix, nothing serious. The water pump, I just needed to give some water so that it was able to get suction from the water tank, and the water maker, for some reason, a cable is disconnected. I had to open everything. I opened everything, looked at all the fuses, checked all the connections, except for the wall mount connection. And after troubleshooting everything, I'm like, wait a second. So there's power to the water maker, there's power to the water maker's pump, but there's no power to the freaking controller. Unscrew the controller, and there was no cable plugged to it, so that was the problem. Anyways, now I've connected it back and put a little bit of electrical tape around it so it won't disconnect again. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's sunny. There's little to no wind. It should be in the 4 to 5 knot range. The temperature right now is in the 20s. And the water is 19.8. So yeah, we'll see you in the lagoon. So we've just thrown down the anchor and the fish finder is showing a ton of fish. So I'm gonna set up the fishing rod and try my luck. As we all know, I'm not that great of a fisherman when it comes to the pole. I'm more of a underwater freediving fisherman, but the fish finder is... Let's give it a try. After we have some breakfast, I'm starving. So I'm gonna heat up the frittata that I prepared last night and some red orange juice, and that's about it. But anyways, let's try fishing first. Alright, breakfast time. So, we've got some... Nope, that's for lunch. Yeah. Some of my fried eggs. Even if there's no plan, nothing to do, it still beats staying in the city. I mean, heading out, chilling in the lagoon. You have the breeze, the animals, the birds, the flamingos. Earlier we passed by a really big flock of flamingos. They were really, really pretty because all pink, and normally they're not that pink here. So that was really nice. Anyways, that's delicious. Day trip out with the dogs. They're chilling there. They're chilling behind, getting some sun. Prepared breakfast, lunch, and snack last night at home. This way all I have to do is heat it up. So for lunch we're gonna have some couscous with vegetables and some veggie balls. Like, instead of meatballs, they're veggie balls. And for snack we have some fruits. But that I bought. I was too late. I was too lazy to cut it out, so I bought that. Okay, so fishing with a fishing rod was an absolute flop. We're gonna head to Pellestrina and go for a walk with the dogs and head to a bar for a nice cappuccino. A bit of boat traffic. Okay, so we've docked up. We're gonna go for a walk. Up one doggy. And up two doggies. Alright, heading into town. Gonna get a nice cappuccino at the bar. Walk the dogs. Might bring them to the beach so they can run and release their energy. Ain't that right, 𝐟𝐨𝐫𝐿 and Roxy? Alright, so we're right for the beach. Gonna do a nice stroll. The water's great. It's actually quite warm, so most likely I think I will end up jumping in later on. Alright, just anchored down. Doggies. I just turned on the water maker to make some water so I can shower after, and I can also shower the dogs. Alright, so I'll be fishing over there. Yeah. Absolutely no one in sight, which is great. Let's go check the anchor real quick. Roof rack, love it. Okay, so the anchor's looking good. Or I might actually go over there. I'm not sure. We'll see. Hello, Roxy. Ciao. Look at that! Look at that, Roxy! Riley would like to join me, but you cannot. You have to stay on the boat. Oh man. Alright, so I just got out of the water, took a quick shower, got dressed. The water was freaking cold. It was showing 19 degrees, but I think it was colder. I only fished for like half an hour and then I came up because I was freaking cold. Saw some little fishes, saw some breams, some mullets, but I didn't catch anything. Didn't see the point to because they were quite small. And after 30 minutes, yeah, I was cold, so I got out. So it's time to heat up our lunch. Woo! Keep the fire low. And let's heat up the couscous as well. I'll show you in a minute. Yeah, it's been a nice day. We swam a bit. Also, when I came back up I spent another 5 minutes with the dog swimming. And Riley's like completely KO. Roxy's enjoying some sun. And Riley's sound asleep. Ah, so freaking hungry. Pretty hard. Oh, I still have some orange juice left over as well. Let's take that. Alright, let's finish some orange juice as well. Bon appetit. Mmm. Oh yeah. Would have been nice to have a nice fish, a lovely fish on top of this, but not today. But anyways, the objective of today was not to go fishing, so it's alright. The objective today was to take the boat out, test it out a bit, go for a walk with the dogs, take the dogs out, make them run, make them swim. So yeah, the fact that I went in the water to try and fish is just a bonus. But I didn't fish, so